Hi guys, I have a new helicopter that I got from Toys R Us.
Inside was a driver's license confirming the identity as Dan Short. The sheriff contacted the FBI.
What? How much? Wait.
$15.
No.
For 51-year-old Dan Short
$50.
And a homicide investigation.
I'm kidding. It's $15. No, actually it was $20.
$29.
Which was almost in defiance.
Yeah. I remember. I have the box at my house.
He gave us
So
the knowledge of what happened.
I'll be flying this thing. I don't know what this red beeping thing means. I think it means the battery is low. I know this red beepy light means that it's going.
Special Agent
So
Nolan's first task
let's
was
fly.
to preserve the evidence.
Collectively, the decision was made to release Mr. Short
Whoa.
from the chair, at which time I released him and preserved the concrete block of the chain,
I'll be going to get
the
that
chair, and also
and
the duct tape.
retest it.
With Short's corpse freed from his death trap, the coroner removed
Going down!
The medical examiner determined the probable cause of death was drowning. The chair with the block
Sorry I can't bring this farther. His phone's on
examined the
charger.
photograph by investigators before being sent to the FBI lab.
Sorry guys that this video is so short, but remember to subscribe and like this video, and bye bye.
Forward with information.
I'm just kidding.
It's clear from examining the